Hey, it's Dave, here to welcome you to the Golf Cart Garage for a look at the Twistlock beverage locking system. And I know, some of you are thinking, Dave, my golf cart already has cup holders, but thanks for being such a funny, handsome guy. And while I appreciate the compliments, not everyone's golf cart has fancy cup holders. Some of us drive real beaters and fixer-uppers around the property or for work. And this awesome line of locking drinkware from Twistlock solves other issues with universal cup holders too. Starting with, it doesn't have to fit in your cup holder. So no more drinks that are too big or so small they rattle around in there and spill or go flat. Also, they're insulated to keep your drink hot or cold longer. And they attach to any flat surface for maximum versatility. We've set a few of them on the ground and they still tip over. So for the conspiracy theorists, there's your proof that the earth isn't flat. For everyone else, never spill your drink again. Secure your beverage with a simple twist of the wrist. This quality product line has container options of a tumbler or travel mug style, or a water bottle canteen style, both in 22-ounce volume. Or you can choose the 12-ounce can cooler for a huge upgrade over those foam koozies, which is not a word I thought I'd ever say out loud in a video. So thanks for that. And the options don't stop there. The mounts that hold these containers come in a flat, wide base mount, a mini vertical mount, and even a mount on an adjustable band to fit roll cages, handlebars, or even the side of tool carts. No matter which container and mount you choose, they're designed to attach anywhere and work with convenient one-hand operation. And the mounts can be installed using the included machine screws or self-adhesive pads. Once installed, you simply press the container into the mount and twist to lock the drink in place. We've seen these installed in cars, golf carts, side-by-sides, ATVs, kayaks, paddleboards, even one on my riding mower because I was tired of getting grass clippings in my soda. Yeah, that was a good save. So that thing where you forget to take your travel mugs out of your car until there's an embarrassing collection of them taking up your back seat is still up to you. Once you're all ready to get your drinks secure, come check out the awesome selection of these innovative drink systems at Golf Cart Garage. We had ours customized with our logo, but you can get yours without advertising for us in a plain black version right here in the garage. So if you need help securing your drink, ordering parts, diagnosing your cart, or anything else, just get in touch. Stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can help show you around the garage. And hey, while you're here, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Cheers, and thanks for watching GCGTV.